comes by every Sunday to snitch.
There's a piece of parsley on the ground that I guess he's been eating and it gets rid of.
Oh my gosh. Munching on the basil.
That's not a spicy thing.
I remember spicy. Remember we were all looking for it because we were going to go up to Rehoboth and we couldn't find
But they
it.
do fast once a year. Anyway, Chris.
Are you sure? Just in there. Okay. Okay.
I'm still in my hospital for a week.
Try one and love it.
Yeah.
It comes.
What do you have? You have it on soaked in so much oil.
Seeds or the way.
I mean, I've had everything from like vinegar to like.
As soon as I finish the whole work.
Yeah, because we put the basil in between.
But she's also not trying.
Where's my charcoal?
Right. Did you hear that?
Horrible. Wrong way to eat it.
Grabby's in here. Oh, that's what she probably needs. She's using a fork. Oh.
Yes.
Plastic wrap.
Sure, anything.
Look at that one right next to you.
Right there.
Yeah. See the plastic wrap?
Yeah.
So Chris gets it back.
See how quick they do it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, here.
Let's see. Oops, that's too big.
An eggplant made by Aunt
Now,
Addy.
this is Glenn and Addy come
delicious.
all the way from church and just snitch. I'm doing them snitch. And
Right.
And then they say,
Basil and the vinegar. You just sprinkle a little vinegar.
oh yeah, just sprinkle.
I
Look at
never
this.
put the vinegar. I didn't know about
Oh,
that.
it's so good.
With the basil. That's what's
I
so
love it
delicious.
that way. I do it for me after that salt on them, Betsy.
Yeah, just enough salt. So that was the thing, I didn't let mine drain enough, and I didn't have enough salt on it. I let it drain for like 3 hours, overnight ticket it looks like. All right, let me start flipping.
Try it, Chris.
Yeah, they're,
Wax and weathering, whatever she did to them. She didn't like the way they were. She would rather they were.
they were really loud.
Never saw one.
Yeah.
Me neither.
What's this one, white wine vinegar? So this, do you want to use a little of each, like one row with that, one row with the regular? What do you pick?
There's red wine
Is that
vinegar.
the one?
There's this one too.
Jane doesn't
cider
like she doesn't like the color on it.
Is it apple cider vinegar?
But it's white wine vinegar.
That's white wine vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Betsy.
Later, don't go anywhere, chef number 2.
I know, really.
For like, need the experience.
Anyway, so what am I putting? Go
Are we
ahead.
doing this? Okay, so you put your hand over
Yeah,
this.
just a little on each one.
Ooh!
Oh, too much.
Too much. Sorry, I'll eat that side. Good trick. Yeah, darn. I'll have this side.
Mine.